Welcome to our channel. If you want to upgrade your Crunchyroll subscription plan, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Log into your Crunchyroll account on the website using your email and password. Make sure you're using the account you want to upgrade. Step 2. Click on your profile icon or avatar in the top right corner of the page and select Settings or Account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Navigate to the Premium Membership or Subscription section, where you can view your current plan details and available upgrade options. Step 4. Review the different premium tiers available. Crunchyroll typically offers Fan and Mega Fan subscriptions, with Mega Fan providing additional simultaneous streams and other perks. Step 5. Compare the features of each plan. Mega Fan usually offers more concurrent streams, allowing multiple household members to watch different shows simultaneously. Step 6. Click on the upgrade button next to the Mega Fan plan or your desired higher tier. This will take you to the upgrade confirmation page. Step 7. Review the upgrade details, including the new monthly price and when the change will take effect. Most upgrades are applied immediately. Step 8. Confirm your payment method on file. If you need to update your payment information, do so before completing the upgrade. Step 9. Click Confirm Upgrade or Complete Upgrade to finalize the plan change. Your new subscription will begin immediately, and billing will adjust accordingly. Step 10. Check your email for confirmation of the upgrade. Your account will now have access to all the features of your new premium tier, including any additional simultaneous streams or exclusive content. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.